Hi friends, welcome back to the SK solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. You can see the base dimension 65, height is 65, thickness is 15. Here one more flange, 130 degree angle, 50 mm length. Friends, I am requesting you to all, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select extrude, select front plane, select line, give the dimensions 65 mm, this is 15, this is 50 mm, select both the lines, give parallel constraint. Now give the dimension 15. Angle is 130 degree. Trim this line, select this and origin, give coincident. So sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch. Here select mid plane 65 mm. Select this surface, sketch, select circle, select line, give the dimensions here to here 75 mm, diameter is 30. So you can see the dimensions are 15, 75 mm. Select center line, center point and horizon midpoint, give horizontal constraint. Select trim entities, trim this line. Finish sketch, select extrude, reverse the direction, here select to up to next surface, select fillet 10 mm, both the edges, again select fillet 30 mm, apply. Next one cutout 30 by 25 mm, dimension from the side 17.5, 15 mm. Select this surface, sketch, select rectangle, give the dimensions 25, this is 30, here to here 17.5 15. Finish sketch, select extruded cut, here select up to next. Select fillet 5 mm, select the 4 edges, next 4 5.5 through holes. I will create one hole first, then I will do it mirror. Select hole wizard, simple hole, dia we want 5.5 mm. Position, dimensions is 12.5 and 12.5. Give the dimensions here to here 12.5. Okay, select pattern, select the direction, reverse this, pitch is actually both side 12.5 is there, 12.5 12.5 25 65 minus 25 40 mm, 40 mm and 30 mm pitch. Select here one more direction, reverse this, pitch we want 30 mm. Okay. Next, there are two holes, dia 10 mm, dimension 45 pitch, from the side 10 mm and 25 mm. This surface sketch, so you can do with whole future also. Pitch is 45, select both holes, give equal constraint, diameter is 10 mm, select both midpoints, give horizontal constraint. Finish sketch, select extruded cut, here give up to next. All is done. Next, there is one hole is missing, that is same diameter 10 mm. Select surface sketch, select circle, diameter 10 mm. Finish sketch, extruded cut, select up to next, apply. You can compare both parts, friends. Anything is missing, please let me know in the comment box. Assign the material. Go with steel. The steel polished steel. So we can edit appearances here. Click OK. Save the part. So that's it from today's session. If you like this session, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Thanks for watching this video, friends.